It's all locked up, Dodger.
All right, there's gotta be some way in. Yeah, Francis.
Now don't cry, little girl. They only eat when I tell them to.
Francis, you all set?
Farewell, Dulcinea.
Francis!
Francis! Peasants.
Maestro? Ready, kid?
Yeah.
Go!
Roscoe, DeSoto.
Come on, DeSoto.
Hey! There is a lady present.
Well, it's nice to see that one of you has some manners.
After you, my little croissant.
Good grief.
And remember, quiet.
Oh, I broke a nail.
Oh, balderdash.
What you call my woman, man?
Free!
Yo, Tito.
Right. Let's check it out.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny, Mr. Winston. But I don't think you really appreciate the situation. Somebody could get hurt. Now you just get the old man on the phone and tell him it's about his daughter, Jenny.
Okay, listen up. T. Francis, I want you. You smell that?
Yeah. It's party time.
What the? Didn't order any pizza. Where are those dogs?
Oh, Oliver! I thought I'd never see you again.
Gentlemen, what's the occasion? Come to rescue your little friend.
Say goodbye, friends.
Oh, boy! Whoopsie daisy!
All right, what a woman!
Francis, you keep an eye on the monitors. Rita, over here.
What is this, a slumber party? Get going, you slobbing mutts.
Francis, is the coast clear? Francis!
Goodness!
What's it gonna do, Dodge?
Yo, Tito, hot wire.
Hey, no way, Dodger, man. I've been barbecued too many times, man.
Good luck, Alonzo.
Huh?
I'll be waiting.
Hey, hi ho, it's off to work we go. Dang, 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 dang.
What is this? All right, girlie, open the door. Come on now. Girlie, I'm warning you.
Come on, Tito.
You just... Let's go. DeSoto. Come on. This has all been very entertaining, but the party is over.